Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2015 Ford F-250. We put a 2-inch level lift on the front, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 RT tires on it. The question is, do you need to trim it in order to fit it? And the answer is yes, you will need to trim. You will need to trim your front valence just a little bit. There's also a there's a metal bracket that connects the bumper and your fog lights and just kind of that front bumper assembly. There's about 1/4 inch of metal that you'll need to take off. You don't have to take it off, but if you want it to clear driveways without rubbing at all, you'll want to take it off. The other thing that you'll want to do is bend in the corner of the rear of your inner fender, and then also trim your rear inner liner, your rear fender liner. Besides that, it's very minimal trimming. You trim the liner, you trim a little bit of metal off of an inner brace bracket and in your front valence, which you always have to trim a valence. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.